In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use green screen in Shotcut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your clips, apply the right filter, and fine-tune the settings so the background disappears cleanly and your subject looks natural. First, make sure you have two video clips ready to go. One should be filmed against a green screen, and the other is your background clip without a green screen. On the timeline, place the green screen clip on the track above the regular video. This order is important because Shotcut will remove the green from the upper clip and reveal whatever is underneath. Think of it like stacking layers. The keyed layer lives on top and the background sits below. With the clips in the correct order, click to select the green screen video on the timeline. Head over to the Filters panel, then click the plus icon to add a new filter. From the list, choose Chroma key, simple, and apply it to the selected clip. This is the keying effect that tells Shotcut which color to make transparent. After the filter is applied, you'll see a distance slider in the filter controls. Slowly adjust this slider until the green background disappears and your subject remains crisp. Move in small increments and watch the edges, especially hair, hands, and any fine details. If you push the slider too far, parts of your subject may start to vanish or look patchy. If that happens, dial it back a little until the edges look clean again. Uneven lighting on the green screen can make this step a bit more sensitive, so take your time and aim for a balance that removes the green without eating into the subject. If your footage uses a different color for the screen, like blue or another solid color, you can change the key color in the filter's settings. For the most accurate result, use the color picker tool and click directly on the background in your clip. This samples the exact shade in your footage, which is especially helpful if the color isn't perfectly uniform. That's really all there is to it. With the green screen clip on top, the chroma key, simple filter applied, and the distance slider tuned just right, you'll have a clean composite where your subject sits seamlessly over your chosen background. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.